Hey guys, are you want to buy best drone battery charging hubs? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best drone battery charging hubs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Lktop Drone Battery Charging Hubs, the DJI compatible Fast Charging Hub is a versatile and efficient solution for drone enthusiasts. Designed to charge up to 3 intelligent flight batteries in sequence, it can fully charge a standard battery in 50 minutes and a battery plus in 90 minutes. Beyond battery charging, it doubles as a USB-C power supply for the DJI remote controller, action cameras, and other compatible devices. The hub features a fully adjustable LED lighting system with 5 brightness levels and a strobe mode, offering excellent visibility in low light conditions. Its built-in alarm function includes SOS sound, strobe, and combined modes for safety and emergency signaling. The storage mode allows partial charging/discharging to preserve battery health, ensuring longevity. Compatible with DJI Mini 5 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3 Pro, and Mini 3 batteries, the hub works best with a 65W charger. Compact, multifunctional, and highly efficient, it's a must-have accessory for DJI drone users. Now our second product is Lktop Drone Battery Charging Hubs. The DJI Mini 4K/Mini 2 Series Fast Charging Hub is a must-have accessory for drone enthusiasts seeking efficiency and convenience. Compatible with DJI Mini 4K, Mini 2, Mini 2, and Mini SA batteries, this hub ensures your batteries are always ready for flight. Its intelligent two-way charging system allows you to charge 2 batteries simultaneously, providing stable and efficient power without compromising performance. Beyond battery charging, it doubles as a power bank, capable of charging your remote controller, action camera, mobile phone, or even a laptop on the go. Clear LED indicators, red for low, blinking for charging, and blue for full, make monitoring power levels simple and intuitive. Crafted from flame-retardant, eco-friendly PC material, this compact hub is both safe and portable, easily fitting into your backpack or drone case. Reliable, multifunctional, and user-friendly, it's the perfect solution for staying powered during your aerial adventures. Our third product is Lyongtech Drone Battery Charging Hubs. The DJI Mini 4K/Mini 2 Series Charging Hub is an all-in-one solution for managing your drone batteries efficiently. Designed specifically for DJI Mini 4K, Mini 2, Mini 2SA, and Mini SE batteries, it offers multiple functionalities to suit every user's needs. The hub supports full charge mode, charging 2 batteries simultaneously in about 80 minutes with a PD35W or higher input. For long-term storage, the storage charge mode ensures batteries are charged to an optimal 60, protecting battery health. The discharge mode allows the batteries to function as a power bank, letting you charge your remote controller or other USB devices on the go. A quick battery level check feature helps you monitor power without reinserting the battery into your drone. With intelligent input-based charging, parallel charging for greater than or equal to PD25W and sequential for PD25W, this compact, multifunctional hub provides safety, convenience, and versatility for every DJI Mini pilot. Now number 4, Amazier Drone Battery Charging Hubs. The DJI Mini 5/4/3 Pro Dual Battery Charging Hub is a must-have accessory for drone enthusiasts looking for fast, safe, and versatile charging. Designed to charge 2 DJI Mini 5 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, or Mini 3 Pro batteries simultaneously, it can fully charge long-life batteries, 2,453 mAh, 3,850 mAh, in just about 75 minutes when paired with the included professional 65W charger. Built-in smart chip technology provides over-voltage, over-current, over-power, and over-temperature protection, ensuring safe and reliable charging. Beyond drones, the hub doubles as a mobile power source, allowing you to charge phones or other USB devices using the battery's power. It also features intelligent battery management for safe storage and quick power checks. Compact and portable, it's ideal for travel and on-the-go use. The package includes the dual battery hub, 65W charger, Type-C cable, and USB to Type-C cable, backed by a 1-year customer support service. And our last choice is Aeroca Drone Battery Charging Hubs. The LCD Digital Two-Way Charging Hub is a reliable and convenient accessory for DJI Mini 2, Mini SA, and Mini 4K batteries. Its standout feature is the color LCD display, which clearly shows the status of each port, including battery voltage, charging current, battery level, and percentage, making it easy to monitor multiple batteries at a glance. The hub supports two-way charging with a maximum input of 5V/3A 15W per port and an output of 8.8V/3A, while the USB output delivers 5V/2A for charging other devices. Compact and user-friendly, it comes with two USB-C charging cables for quick setup. Ideal for pilots managing multiple batteries, it ensures efficient and organized charging. Note: not compatible with Mavic Mini batteries. Dormant or unused batteries must be activated on the drone before using this hub. Batteries, remote controllers, and USB output devices are not included. Backed by a 30-day free refund and reliable after-sales service. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.